welcome back to my channel. And it's Christmas time in November, but our little homestead, we have so much Christmas stuff. It's kind of like a hoarder situation of Christmas, so it takes us days. It takes us at least 3 days to do outside and a day or two to do the inside. So follow us along today as we take down the beach decorations that I've had up pretty much all year and put up the Christmas decorations. So we will see you guys later. Bye. Welcome to day two, not 4. Anyways, I still have 2 Christmas trees left to decorate. This is one. Now this is just a cheap $20 Christmas tree that I ended up getting at Dollar General. We had a smaller Christmas tree last year and I don't know where I put it. I can't find it. And then we have a really nice Christmas tree that we'll be putting in the other room. So I'm going to show you what you guys can do to a cheap $20 tree and make it beautiful. So just keep watching. back. I finished finally decorating for Christmas, at least the inside. We still have a lot of work to do on the outside. That's like another 3-day process that I will be getting to with my husband. So I just wanted to say I hope you enjoyed it. It's a lot of work. No, it's not the best Christmas decorating, but I tried. So please subscribe to this channel, and I can't wait to see you guys again on a future video. Bye.